Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Potato ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Anti-slip, cushioned long handles for easy leverage. Our potato ricer's long, easy grip silicone handle allow comfortable leverage while you mash, rice, and mill. No more sore or tired arms, just perfect results every time. Electric vegetable chopper. Simply stack and press to chop. The patented stack press design makes it easy to assemble and use. Simply press the lid to chop and release to stop. Since all you do is stack the lid on top of the bowl, no difficult twist locking is needed. Perfect size for everyday use. Chop and mix up to 3 cups of ingredients every day of the week with this 3-cup chopper. It's the perfect size for everyday use, yet small enough for easy storage. Easily chop, puree, and emulsify with stainless steel blades. Durable stainless steel blades make easy work of a multitude of ingredients including onions, carrots, and nuts. Oil dispenser on lid makes it easy to emulsify dressings, dips, and sauces. Meat tenderizer. Chef-grade meat tenderizer. The meat tenderizing tool easily slices through meat to create tiny heat channels without change the shape or appearance of the meat. The channels tenderize the meat while also providing greater absorption of marinade or spice and lowering cooking times up to 40%. Increases flavor and tenderness of all cuts of meat. High quality and great design. Meat tenderizing tools are manufactured with high-quality 48 stainless steel blades with hard texture, durable to use without corrosion and rust. Blades are sharpened on both sides for prolonged performance that stays sharp even after frequent use. ABS grip with human engineering principle bring you much convenience, let you easy to hold, and keep a good mood to cooking. Griddler. Superior performance. Cuisinert's 5-to-1 griddler is a contact grill, panini press, full griddle, and half grill/half griddle. Easy to use. The griddler plates, 11-inch x 9-inch, are removable, reversible, and are dishwasher-safe non-stick cooking plates. The plates also act as a drain for the grease for cooking more healthy. The integrated drip tray collects grease and is easy to store. Also included, red/green indicator lights for easy operation, dishwasher-safe scraping tool for easy cleanup, and an instruction manual with gourmet recipes for you to enjoy. Custom control. Sturdy panini-style handle with hinged floating cover adjusts to thickness of food. Selector knob choose grill or griddle function, and the adjustable temperature controls for grill or griddle. Toaster. Multifunctional toaster. Kickstart your mornings with fresh toast or perfectly warmed bagels with the Mueller Ultra Crisp 4-slice toaster. Features cancel, defrost, and reheat functions, self-centering slot guides, and intelligent heating technology to deliver even toasting every time. Full control. 6 browning settings let you take control of your toasting level so you can enjoy your toast exactly how you like it. Memory recall keeps your settings saved, but with sleek touch buttons and LED display, it's just as easy to switch between settings. Extra wide slots. With each slot at 1.6-inch wide, the 4-slice toaster lets you fit long, thick slices of artisan bread, Texas toast, bagels, English muffins, and plenty more of your favorites. Perfect size for the modern family, with hungry mouths to feed each morning. Perfect as a new home essentials, Mueller toasters also make an excellent gifts for mom, combining functionality with style. Electric fondue pot. Versatile fondue experience. Enjoy a wide variety of fondue recipes with our electric fondue pot set. Create delicious desserts or savory appetizers with ease, making it an ideal choice for entertaining guests or spending quality time with family. All-inclusive set. This set has everything you need for a successful fondue night, including 6 color-coded fondue forks, a support ring, and a 1.5-quart electric fondue pot. Safe and convenient. Keep fondues at the ideal temperature by adjusting the blue-lit temperature control dial. Use the Cool Touch side handles for safe and easy handling while moving the removable fondue pot. Electric food warming mat. Must-have hosting essential. Transform your dining and hosting experience with the roller-up electric food warming mat, the ultimate solution for keeping your meals perfectly warm and ready to serve. Whether it's an intimate family dinner or a large gathering, this sleek warming tray provides rapid full-surface heating in just 10 seconds. No more cold food at parties, just consistently delicious dishes kept at the ideal temperature for every occasion. Space-saving, roll-up design. Unlike bulky kitchen gadgets, the roller-up warming mat is designed with modern living in mind. Its flexible, durable silicone material easily rolls up for compact storage, saving you precious counter space. Ideal for on-the-go warmth. Whether you're camping, RV traveling, or setting up a buffet, it's the perfect companion for keeping food warm no matter where life takes you. Salad spinner. Quick, convenient. Generous 5-quart capacity allows for larger batches of salad preparation. Wash and spin dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables effortlessly. User-friendly. The easy-to-use spin knob on the lettuce spinner allows for quick and efficient action. Conveniently add and drain water to the washing bowl without the need to remove the securely locking lid. Safety stability. Non-skid base keeps the spinner bowl stable and prevents any unwanted movement and mess when prepping salads. Versatile spinner bowl. The clear washing bowl doubles as a serving bowl when the strainer is removed, adding versatility to your kitchen tools. Generous lifetime warranty. Backed by a lifetime warranty, guaranteeing long-lasting performance and customer satisfaction. Egg slicer. FOD Slicer egg slicer is very suitable for cutting hard-boiled eggs, strawberry, banana, mushroom, butter, cheese, into neat slices. Just put the food into the slicer and push it down. You will get neat slices every time. Sharp stainless steel wire. The egg cutter wires is made of stainless steel, and it is very sharp, which allows you to quickly slice eggs and soft food. Egg cutter wires are durable and can be used for several years. Ergonomic design egg slicer made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the base and handle. Ergonomic design makes it easier to use. You just need to lower the food in the card slot and then press it gently to get neat slices. Easy to clean. The base of the egg cutter uses a hollow design. Simply rinse with water to easily remove food scraps and get a brand new egg cutter. Can be safely used in the dishwasher. Cast iron burner. Easy to clean. 6.5-inch and 5-inch cast iron flat cooking plates are non-stick and easy to clean with a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge. Adjustable temperature. Quickly reach and sustain the desired low, medium, or high heat settings with the variable temperature knob to keep food warm or boil hot water. Built-in safety. Dual power indicator lights on the front of the burner remind users when the item is powered on. Non-skid feet ensure the burner remains stable during use. Compact and portable. The compact size of the burner makes it an easily accessible item to take on the go wherever an extra cooking device is needed, at school, office, camping trips, or home.